Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get full annotation access to guests in Microsoft Teams. So let's get started. First, the important thing to know is that guests in Team don't automatically get full annotation control. You must enable it in meeting settings, and even then it depends on policy limits. So the first thing is that you can go to people over here and you'll be able to see all of the participants. So you can simply click on the three dots right next to the participants and you can select who can present, such as you can set that to everyone, or you can also set that to specific people over here, and then you can simply save that. And let's say if you are sharing a screen, so let's say I'm going to share this window over here, I'm going to select this one. And as soon you are sharing the screen, you'll be able to see a couple of options at the top. So you can simply click on give control, and if there are numerous participants in the meeting, they will also get the control of the screen and they'll be able to change the slides or even share their own screen. You can also click on people over here in order to select what kind of organizers you want. So if you want to change the settings for specific people, you can do that from here. And if annotation still doesn't work, then your organization may block it, or admin must enable external sharing or meet collaboration tool. And that is basically how you can get full annotation for a guest in Microsoft Teams. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.